Still burping. It's hard to breathe. The doctors don't know what's wrong. But now I have medicine. Maybe it'll work, maybe it won't. I tried everything else. Tried the Valium. It put me to sleep. It didn't work for burping though. So I go back to the doctor's on Friday. Today is Tuesday. Oh gosh, I'm so tired. On Friday, the doctor's gonna put a camera down my throat and check and see if there's anything that he sees wrong down there between my esophagus and my stomach. And hopefully he'll know something sooner than later. I went today to get my lab work, so I'm all ready for the procedure. I really don't like the idea of being put to sleep while they take a look inside my mouth, but well, there's always give or take. So I will keep you updated on my burping and what the doctor says, and hopefully, if you're watching this and you're looking for some relief too, hopefully we'll find the relief that we're looking for. So until later, toodles.